being part of our world into your kitchen. And now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. Drum roll. We're making strawberry horchata. And it's amazing. And in Mexico, whenever you're going to eat, you always have some sort of like juice, right?
A drink, agua fresca. Yeah. We use a lot of fruits because this, you show that everyone has mango trees. You know, we just have oranges, so many trees outside, guavas, and even we use the fruits to make like a juice, water, and it's very fresh. Or either you can just drink soda, but we choose the fruits. And this one is very delicious, and we make it with rice. It's like rice water, and you can make it dairy-free as well. So
now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, you work your ears clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision, because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Happy Easter! What? It's not Easter yet, Ian. Oopsie daisy. Now let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is sift it first. Bam! So now let's get to it. Here are the ingredients. We're gonna need 2 pounds of strawberries. Some are gonna be chopped and some are gonna be whole. And to make our ice, we're gonna need water. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge to make the freezer to make the ice for tomorrow, because we still need to leave our rice soaking in the water. Yes. So now, what else are we gonna need? We're gonna need 2 pounds of strawberries, 1 stick of cinnamon, vanilla, 1 cup of rice, 3 cups of water. And over here we have if you want to do it dairy-free, you can do it with coconut milk and sweet condensed coconut milk. If you want to do it regular, you can use just
condensed milk and evaporated milk.
But we're doing it dairy-free, right?
And if you need to add more water, I mean more sugar, you can add more sugar. For us, the sweetness from the condensed milk, it's enough, and then the strawberries. But like my mom, she likes to add extra sugar. For us, it's fine.
Yes.
So that's totally optional.
So now let's get to it. So now we're gonna put all of our rice, water, and vanilla and our cinnamon stick in a bowl, and we're gonna close it in the plastic paper. And let's get pouring. Let's see, put water, rice, vanilla, stick. And now we're gonna mix it all together and let all the flavors combine, and we need it overnight so they can be soft enough so we can blend.
The rice.
Yeah, the rice. So we'll see you tomorrow. So now this is basically the final step to making our horchata. And we're gonna use our coconut condensed milk and our coconut milk. So we like that taste with the coconut and the strawberry. It gives it such a good combination that's like tropical, and it tastes fabulous, right, Ian? So now we have our rice over here. So we're gonna blend it in our blender. So let's pour it. Carefully. Nice. So we're ready to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna pour my water into my bowl slowly.
And I'm gonna pour our strawberries and the rest of our milks and condensed milk. Get the strawberries.
Okay, good job. So now we're gonna pour our milks into our strawberries.
Yep.
It smells amazing.
Now my coconut milk.
And I'm gonna pour my strawberries.
Not like that, you're.
He's really wet. He's like, I do not want to go.
I thought we're not gonna have explosions today, Ian.
And now I'm gonna blend my milks and strawberry. Which one? It's ready! So now, let's pour it into our container so we can pour it slowly in here. We don't want to explode. So, release. But first, we have to get out the blade.
Can you do it?
I think so.
Oh, good job.
One ice. Ice number one.
And one more.
So our ice is ready, so we're gonna open it with the bag.
And we have our ice. And I'm gonna pour my strawberry into here.
You can try to pour it in there. You think you will spill it? Go, go, go. Try. You can do it.
Go, Aileen.
Go, Aileen, go.
Go,
Aileen, go.
Go, Aileen.
Oh my god. Yay!
Happy boy.
Good job, Aileen.
Thank you.
So now, we're not gonna rinse our blender. We're just gonna pour more water in there so we can pour more water in our horchata. Okay? Okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
This is how we make homemade ice. I was about to say ice cream.
It might probably be a little bit big, but okay. Try to put it in there.
Should I put it over here?
Switch
Can I
spots.
rinse this off in a second?
Check this one off.
Pour the rice inside, baby boy.
The
Ice or rice?
I mean, the ice and the rice.
This one?
Yes! Are you so you have the strength like the mushroom man?
No. Yes.
It's perfect.
I can't get it out. Okay.
What is it? Oh.
Oh,
Oopsie daisy.
stuck to the bag.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so I will get you more water.
Yes.
Okay, so our
horchata is ready.
And if you want to add more sugar, you can. But for us, we don't want to because for us it's sweet enough.
Yes. With the strawberries and the coconut,
Coconut?
it's perfect.
So
So
now,
now, let's taste it.
cheers.
Mm.
Delicioso.
Enjoy. And I hope you guys love this amazing horchata recipe. And since it's coming up with summer, we're going to have a lot more amazing recipes, juices, drinks, maybe popsicles.
Piña colada.
Yes, Ian.
For kids.
Yeah. It's very good. I love it, Ian.
Thank you.
So, and we enjoy reading your guys' amazing comments. And
We hope.
just want to say thank you, right, Ian?
Yep. And we hope you love this amazing horchata recipe.
So now, bye. Make sure to